This is your sign to make these Japanese crispy rice balls that are beautifully golden brown. And can you believe that they are made in an ape pan? We will start by washing our rice to remove the excess starch, and you want the water to turn clear. I have used sushi rice here, but you can use any short grain rice, which makes this recipe so versatile. And let this cook until it's nice and fluffy. For the filling, we will add some crumbled paneer or some sauteed tofu, bell peppers, cabbage, spring onions, cream cheese, soy sauce, ginger, green chili, sriracha and some sesame seeds. Give this a gentle mix and our filling is ready. In our cooked rice, we will add in salt, sugar, some rice vinegar like they traditionally do for sushi. To form the rice balls, apply some water on your hands. Add a scoop of rice followed by a small spoon of filling in the center. Gently press this together to shape it in a round ball. You can even use an onigiri mold for this triangle shape. I shared this technique on my stories and had hundreds of DM to see the process. This is such a fun shape. My kids love to make it this way. In an ape pan, heat oil and add your rice balls. Let this become beautifully golden brown and crispy from all sides. You can add an extra oil if needed in between while turning it around. And now it's time to garnish it with some sriracha mayo, green onions, pickled ginger and some furikake seasoning. And trust me, these are going to become your new favorite thing. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.